Hello students, welcome back to my class. So in today's class we are going with the another lesson, which is lesson number 7, money and banking of the class 8. Already we have completed the 4 lessons of 8 class. Let's move to the another topic which is completely different from the geography. In the last class we have completed the geography topics which are completely related to the earth, its movements and all, sun, earth, moon. Let's move to another concept which is unit 7 of the class 8, money and banking, which is a very interesting topic. Without money and without the operation of banking, the life doesn't go on. We cannot survive without the banking process, and we could not live without money. So this is a very interesting topic and concept, money and banking. Without any further delay, let's get started. The topic itself indicates money and banking. So this lesson is completely divided into 2 parts. So in this lesson we are going to talk about the money, how the money has come to us, evolution of money, and people how used to utilize the money. Agar money nahi hoti to what they will use. Everything we are going to discuss about in this chapter, money and banking. Banking is a completely different concept. What is banking? How many types of banking are there? What are the different methods of banking? Everything we are going to learn in this chapter. So without any delay, first we are going to discuss everything about the money. Let's start. Trading without money. So the first sub concept or else subtopic is the trading. Trading means doing business. Buying and purchasing is called business. Trading without money. So पहले क्या है अपना सब टॉपिक, that is हम business कर रहे हैं and that too without the money. Let's see, if there is no money, what is the process that the people used to use in the rural areas before, and somehow people will follow that method also in some areas I'm talking. That is nothing but the barter system. जब मनी फॉर्म नहीं हुआ था, जब मनी हमारे कंट्रीज में डेवलप नहीं हुआ था, इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं हुआ था, हाउ द पीपल यूज टू डू द बिजनेस with the help of the barter system. What is barter system? Barter system किसे कहते हैं? Let's see the definition first. After that we will move into the explanation and deep meaning. So the definition is the system of exchanging goods directly against other goods without the use of money, which is happening here. What we are learning, without the use of money, is called the barter system. I hope it is clear. Barter system किसे कहते हैं? जहाँ पे exchange of goods against other goods without the use of money is called the barter system. Exchange of commodities. What are commodities and goods? Products or items. In commerce they used to call commodities. In simple language we will call goods or items and products. तो यहाँ पे कैसा हो रहा है? Without money, how the business is taking its place? Exchange of goods against other goods. It is called barter system, and it will be happening without the usage of money. Let's see an example or activity how the barter system used to take place in people's life. Mohan has come with ragi. Everybody know what is ragi? Ragi is a millet. हम सब जानते हैं ragi. To Shyamala to buy mangoes. Here the 2 characters are there. So the name of the first person is the Mohan and the second person name is the lady called the Shyamala. Mohan come with the ragi. किसके पास आया? Shyamala के पास. To buy the mangoes. Shyamala is having mangoes and Mohan has come with the ragi. Shyamala made 2 equal heaps of the ragi. What did Shyamala, the lady, what did she did? उसने रागी के 2 हिस्से किए. She gave Mohan a few mangoes that together weighted as much as one of the ragi heaps. So what did Shyamala did? उसने पहले रागी के 2 पार्ट्स किए और रागी को उसने मेजरमेंट किया, वेट किया. उस हिसाब से उसने एक रागी के पार्ट के हिसाब से मैंगोज किसे दिए? मोहन को दिए. A few mangoes that together, जिसका वेट as much as one of the ragi part. The rate at which the mangoes were exchanged is half much as the grain. कैसा यहाँ पे डीलिंग हो रही है स्टूडेंट्स? द रेट एट विच द मैंगोस, क्या रेट से मैंगोस को एक्सचेंज किया उन दोनों ने? हाफ एज मच एज द रागी। 2 पार्ट्स हुए हैं, लेकिन व्हाट श्यामला डिड, 1 पार्ट का हाफ का वेट किया और उसके हिसाब से उसने जो है उतने ही मैंगोस दिए। एंड शी हैज टेकन द 2 parts of the ragi with herself. There can be other rates too, as such as equal to the grade. It depends on the person how they are going to measure the weights and solding the products. But here यहाँ पे it depends on the people. But Shamala, what did? She made the 2 packets, 2 parts of the ragi. 1 part का measure किया उसने and उतने ही mangoes दिए उसे. And but she has taken the 2 parts of the ragi with herself and given the mangoes which has weighted, कितना weight के हिसाब से? रागी का 1 packet के हिसाब से she has given the mangoes and half packet she has taken for free. So in this way they both has done their deal. In some villages of Adilabad district, children exchange toys made up of bamboos. What is happening in the Adilabad? Children what they are doing? छोटे छोटे districts में जो है toys exchange होते थे and वो toys किसके made up of है? They are made up of bamboo for rice. Okay, from bamboo for rice. This system of exchanging goods without the use of money is called the barter system. I hope it is clear to everyone what is barter system, जहाँ पे पैसों की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. Without the use of money, they are exchanging the products, okay, which is called the barter system. If I am having, what I am having? I am having 3 mobile phones, okay students, and the other person is having charger, okay. He is having charger, 1 charger he is having, I am having mobile phone, 3 mobile phone. What he will do? He will come to me and what he will do? He will say that I am having charger, I want to purchase mobile phone from you. So what he will do? He will take 1 phone from me and if he is having 2 chargers, he will give me 1 charger. जिसको जो ज़रूरत है, they will go to that person only. If the person is having, what else? Someone is having fruits and he wants to buy some fruits only, but he is having vegetables. What he will do? He will not go to the rice or wheat shopman. He will go to the person who is carrying vegetables only or fruits only. So जिसकी जो ज़रूरत है उन लोग जो है वो ही इंसान से जो है डीलिंग करेंगे in the form of the barter system. Unnecessarily they will not go to the other person who is carrying different things with them. जिसकी जो necessity है, requirement है, they will go to that person and they will do their dealing as per the measurements, weight, और जो है उन लोग का कोई प्राइस तो होता नहीं. Why? Because they doesn't have money. तो हम अगर आपको इतने 3 पैकेट्स देंगे तो you have to give me 2 पैकेट्स और 4 पैकेट्स. ऐसा डीलिंग होती. Why? Because कुल जो नीड है that person have to go to that person only. Otherwise if they are not agreed on the deal, they cannot go to another person. Why? Because उनकी ज़रूरत वही person के पास है. In this way the barter system is going to happen. As I said, if I am having 3 mobile phone and the other person is having 3 chargers, what he wants now? He wants a mobile phone to charge the phone. So definitely he will come to me only to buy the phone. He will not go to the another person. Why? Because he wants to buy mobile only. So what he will do? He will take mobile from me and in exchange what commodity he will give? He will give me a charger. Okay, so what I will say? The charger is less in price but a mobile phone is very costly. What I must say? I must say that I want 2 chargers and I will give you only 1 phone. He have to agree on that condition. Why? Because he only needs a mobile phone only. Other than that, उसे कोई दूसरी चीज़ की अभी ज़रूरत नहीं है. अभी उसकी requirement है to purchase the phone. So obviously he will agree on my terms. What he will do? He will give me 2 chargers and take mobile phone from me. So in this way the barter system process is happening. Exchanging of commodities between the 2 person is called the barter system. I hope it is clear without the usage of money, how the people used to do the business with each other in the form of barter system. So the next topic is the exchange with money. Okay, now what is happening here? Money has introduced. Now they are going to do the exchange of the commodities with the help of using money. Okay, so let's see first what is money and how the business and how the trading is going to happen. If we use money for the exchange of the goods, there will be no problem in exchanging commodity. Obviously, it is very true. It is a very important point. अगर हमारे पास money है and if you are using the money, it will be very easy to do the process of the exchanging commodities. There will be no problem in exchanging commodities. हम जिसके भी पास चाहे जा सकते हैं, पैसे दे सकते हैं and we will purchase what we want to actually purchase. Yes students. But in barter system what was happening? अगर हमें कोई चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, we have to go to that person only and we have to negotiate. Negotiate means हमें उससे जो है डील करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा प्राइस ऊपर नीचे. प्राइस मीन्स कॉमोडिटीज़ जो है एक या दो, वैसी बात करते हुए हमें जो है डील करते हुए वही पर्सन से बाई एंड परचेस करना है, सेल भी करना है. ओके, बट इफ़ यू आर हैविंग मनी वी कैन go to any person and exchange the commodities without any difficulty. The person who has something in excess will not have to necessarily find another person who need it and has something also to give in return. As I said, as it is not difficult for the person who is having the money, like the barter system. That only point it is explaining us. Money act as an intermediary or an between step, something that is held for some time because it can be used further. We saw these situations in the above examples. Money can be exchanged for goods because it is acceptable to all. To understand the exchange with the money, हम पैसों से कैसे exchange कर रहे हैं? First point what we have learned that it will be easy and there will be no problem to exchange the commodities if we are having the money. Let's see what the money can be done for the people, can do for the people and how it is going to take its process. Money can be exchanged for goods because it is acceptable to all. I hope it is very easy to understand. Money जो है कोई भी चीज़ के लिए हम exchange कर सकते हैं. For goods, goods means product और items because it is acceptable to all. हर एक को जो है पैसे accepted है. If we are purchasing something, in return what they are expecting? Money only. So that is why everybody wants money. Nowadays what is happening students? If we are giving something to poor people or else the low class people, or what we will give? We'll give some commodities, we'll give some food, grains, rice. What they are saying? No, don't give anything. We want money only. So nowadays also everybody wants money. Why? Because it is acceptable to all. From money they can do anything, whatever they want. Sometimes what happen, हम उन लोग को poor people को rice दे रहे हैं लेकिन उनकी ज़रूरत अभी rice नहीं है. Already they must be having rice in their homes. What they need? They need money. Why? Because so that they can purchase other goods which is needed to them at that time. That is why everybody wants money which is acceptable to all. Let's see the next point. Any commodity or service can be exchanged for money. Money के खातिर जो है हम कोई भी चीज़ commodity और कोई भी service जो है कर सकते हैं. If someone is paying to us, okay students, for money only we can exchange our goods and we can give our service. हम पैसों के खातिर ही what we are doing? We are earning, we are doing work, we are hard working. Yes or no? Yes. Any commodity or service. Service means active. हम जिस चीज़ की जो है क्या करते हैं, अपना effort डालते हैं, hard work देते हैं, अपनी knowledge लगा के वो काम पूरा करते हैं. Why all these things are going? हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? For money only. For money only. Why? Because हम money से anything we can purchase. Our livelihoods will not survive. हमारा घर expenditure cannot be run without the money. This is the second point. And money can be exchanged for any commodity or service. the same point, these are the interrelated points. ये दोनों points जो है एक दूसरे से related है. How? See, पैसों के खातिर ही people are doing service, people are earning, people are doing jobs, people are working from home nowadays only. Sorry, not nowadays. In the lockdown also people are working. For what purpose? To get the money. Every service is done for the money only, and money can be exchanged for any commodity or service. If we are doing something, if we are giving knowledge, if we are doing a kind of work, hard working, what we will give, what we will get? We will get money. In return, exchange किससे हो रहा है? हम अगर किसी को सर्विस दे रहे हैं, in return what we will get? We will get money only, and money can be exchanged for any commodity or service. हम पैसों के लिए ही काम करते हैं और in return अगर हम हमारी सर्विस दे रहे हैं, so we will get money only in return. Let's move to the next point. One can borrow and pay back in the form of money. As I said, anything can be get from the money. You can purchase anything from the money or borrow from the money and pay back in the form of money. For example, if you are doing a service, if we are working in a company, in return what we will get? In return we will get payback. Payback किस चीज़ से हो रहा है? अगर हम एक कंपनी में IT का काम कर रहे हैं, कोई टेक्नोलॉजी का, कोई सिस्टम पे बैठ के हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, are we getting a CPU? Are we getting a monitor in return every month? No. Payback में हमें क्या मिल रहा है every month? In the form of money. I hope it is clear. Every month what we will get? We will get salary. Payback से क्या है हमें? किस चीज़ का फॉर्म में मिल रहा है? In the form of money. Let's move to the another point. Money is divisible. Money is divided. Divisible into, there are rupees and paise. This everybody knows. I don't think it is necessary for me to make you explain. It is divided into two parts. Rupees होते हैं and पैसे होते हैं. It is durable and kept for future use. What money is? Money is durable. Durable means long lasting and kept for future use. Our parents, what he will do? They'll save the money. Savings. Everybody will do the savings. For what purpose? ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? For future use. Sometimes the situations will come. Emergency में हमें कभी पैसों की ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है. So what we have to do? From beginning only we have to plan. Planning किस चीज़ की? Future की planning करते हुए हमें money को save करना चाहिए. All the time we cannot spend the money. Sometimes, not sometimes, every time we have to think about our future and we have to keep the money for our future use. Emergency can be happen at any time. Nobody can tell us when the emergency, and if someone needs the money, you cannot say. When, if anybody needs or we don't need for future use, we cannot say that we don't need to save the money. We have to save the money. It is durable. Durable means long lasting. Money is not a thing which is going to spoil or else decay. Decay means जो चीज़ ख़राब हो जाती है. मनी कोई पैसा कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है कि जिसे हम रखें, अगर सेविंग्स करें for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, it will get rotten. It will get rotten, students? No, it will not get rotten. वो spoil होने वाली चीज़ नहीं है. It is long lasting. हमेशा चीज़, if we keep the money in the locker, it will be stay same as it is for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, how we have kept in that form. So that is why money is a durable and kept for future uses. Where you will kept the money? If you are keeping the money in the houses, it will be in our lockers and if put it in the activity. Okay, so what we have learned, that still the barter system is specially used by the rural areas. Rural areas means जो town से, villages, districts से जो बहुत ही दूर होते हैं boundaries पे, and the farmer people who are farmers like laborers, till they use the barter system. Another problem for the barter system is another activity has put it in the barter system so that it will be easy to understand. Why? Because what we are learning is barter system has another problem also. It has given in an activity, Gopal has a goat and wants to buy a matchbox. he is having an animal which is goat, and but he wants to buy a matchbox. Is it a fair exchange for him? In return he wants a matchbox and he wants to sell that goat. गोट के रिप्लेसमेंट में एक मैच बॉक्स लेना, इज इट अ फेयर एक्सचेंज स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज अ गोट इज अ हाई कमोडिटी, बहुत ज़्यादा कमोडिटी है व्हेन कंपेयर टू अ स्मॉल मैच बॉक्स. सो द एक्सचेंज जो है, इज इट फेयर इनफ टू डू द बार्टर सिस्टम? No, it is not enough to do this exchange. He cannot give a part of the goat for a matchbox. Is it possible to give a part of the goat for a matchbox? Goat is an living animal. If he give a part, the goat will obviously die. It is that kind of a thing which is a living organism. Okay. So he cannot give a part of the goat to purchase a one small matchbox because the goat is not divisible. That means कि हम जो है गोट को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. But with money you can buy small items also. Money is, as we have said, money is divisible. There are rupees and paise also. But if we are having money, we can get anything like small items, big items, tiny items. We don't need to divide the commodities इन रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ अदर स्मॉल कमोडिटी और बिग कमोडिटी. हमें कोई भी चीज़ चाहिए, अगर हमारे पास पैसा हो, वी कैन परचेस एनीथिंग, स्मॉल, बिग, टाइनी, ह्यूज आइटम्स, एनीथिंग. वी डोंट नीड टू डिवाइड इट इफ वी आर लाइक इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ द बार्टर सिस्टम. लाइक वी कैनॉट डिवाइड द लिविंग थिंग्स, that the goat is a living thing but it is not a divisible. एक मैच बॉक्स के लिए हम गोट को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. It is saying that money is a very good exchange process to buy a small thing, tiny thing, anything. What we can see that commodities like vegetables should be exchanged immediately because they are perishable. हम सब जानते हैं कि वेजिटेबल्स को हम ज़्यादा देर तक स्टोर करके नहीं रख सकते. दैट टू फॉर 2 days 3 days, लास्ट मोर देन मैक्सिमम 4 days. उसके बाद व्हाट विल हैपन? वेजिटेबल हमारी जो है ख़राब होना शुरू हो जाती है. पेरिशेबल मीन्स ख़राब होना, स्पॉइल होना शुरू हो जाती है. दिस प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व व्हेन कमोडिटीज़ आर सोल्ड फॉर मनी. ये चीज़ क्या है? अगर हमारे पास पैसा है, वी आर नॉट डूइंग बार्टर सिस्टम. बार्टर सिस्टम की एक प्रॉब्लम है. व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम? अगर हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉक में वेजिटेबल्स है, हमें जल्दी ही जो है उसको एक्सचेंज करना ज़रूरी है. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन? इट इज़ अ ह्यूज लॉस. नुकसान हो जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज द वैलिडिटी, एक वेजिटेबल्स की वैलिडिटी कितनी होती है? 3 days, लास्ट 4 days. अगर हम 4 days में उसको एक्सचेंज नहीं करेंगे किसी और के साथ, इट विल बी डिस्ट्रॉय, स्पॉइल. वी हैव टू थ्रो इट इन द डस्टबिन. अगर हमारे पास मनी है, ये प्रॉब्लम जो है ईजिली सॉल्व हो जाती है. दिस प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व व्हेन कमोडिटीज आर सोल्ड फॉर मनी. अगर हम यही चीज़ को जो है पैसों से बेचेंगे तो ईजिली इट विल बी, कोई भी जो है खरीद लेगा. मनी इज ड्यूरेबल. वाई? बिकॉज हम अगर किसी को बेचेंगे, वी विल, दे हैव टू गिव द मनी और वी हैव टू टेक द मनी. मनी इज ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ अ ड्यूरेबल, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. मनी तो स्पॉइल होने वाली नहीं है, न डीके होने वाली है, एंड इट कैन बी केप्ट फॉर फ्यूचर यूज़. बट वेजिटेबल्स हम फ्यूचर यूज़ के लिए रख नहीं सकते. हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉक है वेजिटेबल्स का, हमें जल्द से जल्द उसे सोल्ड आउट करना ही करना है. अगर हमारे पास मनी होता, एक्सचेंज में हम मनी को अपनी मर्ज़ी से हम सोल्ड कर सकते हैं, परचेस कर सकते हैं मनी से, क्योंकि मनी इज़ अ ड्यूरेबल, वो ख़राब होने वाली चीज़ नहीं है. But like commodities like vegetables, fruits, anyhow we have to sold them in the low price also. Why? Because otherwise it will be spoiled. Also, holding of commodities like sheep, goats or bags of rice requires a lot of space and maintenance, and you need carts and trucks. जैसे कि we have learned that money doesn't require much space to keep and it can be carried out anywhere because it is a portable. लाइक अगर हमारे पास हम बार्टर सिस्टम कर रहे हैं, इफ़ द पर्सन इज़ द पर्सन ऑफ सेलिंग शीप्स, गोट्स, उसके पास बहुत सारे फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप्स है, बहुत सारे कैटल है, कैटल मीन्स डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स है, बहुत ज़्यादा उसके पास जो है ज़्यादा व्हाट वी कैन से इन हिंदी दैट ह्यूज ग्रुप ऑफ शीप्स, ग्रुप ऑफ गोट्स, बहुत ज़्यादा कमोडिटीज़ के ये चीज़ें हैं। एंड बैग्स ऑफ राइस, ये सब चीज़ें के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस लगती है। हम एक छोटी सी स्पेस में तो इन सब चीज़ों को, ये कमोडिटीज़, ये गुड्स को हम नहीं रख सकते। वी नीड अ लॉट ऑफ लैंड, ग्राउंड टू कीप द ग्रुप ऑफ शीप्स, ग्रुप ऑफ गोट्स। अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा राइस भी है, अगर हम किसी को दे रहे हैं, वी आर गिविंग 5 bags of rice, इन रिटर्न वी आर गेटिंग 1 goat और 2 goat ऑफ शीप। अगर हमें 5 bags of rice लेकर जाना है घर को, कैन वी होल्ड इन आवर हैंड्स 2 rice bags here, 2 rice bags in this hand? Is it possible, students? Is it impossible? What we need? We need carts, we need trucks to load that rice bags and take it to the home. If we are doing barter system में ये भी एक problem है कि it takes a huge space and what it is, takes lot of effort also, trucks and carts to carry your goods or items for exchange to the market. However, money does not require much space to keep and it is portable. So this is the problem with the barter system and the advantage with the money is the हमें पैसे रखने के लिए कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें कोई कार्ट को, कोई बुलक कार्ट, कोई ट्रक को ऑर्डर करना का कोई ऐसा प्रोसेस नहीं है। इट इज़ पोर्टेबल, हम हाथ में पकड़ के ले जा सकते हैं। वी कैन पुट इन आवर पर्सेस, वी कैन पुट इन आवर वैलेट्स, वी कैन पुट इन आवर पॉकेट्स टू। मनी इज़ पोर्टेबल, बट बार्टर सिस्टम का एडवांटेज भी है, ट्रेडिंग विदाउट द मनी बार्टर सिस्टम is happening, but the person who were doing the barter system with the exchange of goods with another person, उनको जो है problems भी face करना पड़ता है। Like as I said, अगर किसी ने 5 kgs ले लिया तो वो हाथ में तो उठाकर नहीं ले जा सकता है। It takes lot of what space, they have to order the cart or truck। and हमें और क्या पता चला है barter system का disadvantage कि अगर huge commodities है हम ज़्यादातर स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं। द कमोडिटीज़ लाइक वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, हमें जल्द से जल्द उसे सोल्ड आउट करना पड़ता है। इफ़ वी आर गेटिंग लो वैल्यू फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट, अगर हमें उसकी कीमत कम भी मिल रही है, उसकी वैल्यू कम मिल रही है इन रिटर्न, देन ऑल्सो वी हैव टू एक्सचेंज दैट प्रोसेस इन द बार्टर सिस्टम, अदरवाइज इट विल बी spoiled and it will lead to wastage. So these are the disadvantages of the barter system. In the next class we will learn the subtopic called the evolution of money. Evolution of money means कि money, पैसे का growth कहाँ से हुआ, how the money came into development, introduction, introduce कैसा हुआ, सो ग्रोथ कैसा हुई मनी की, स्लोली कैसा डेवलप हुआ। पहले तो बार्टर सिस्टम ऑलरेडी चल रहा था, फिर मनी को किसने जो है प्रोसेस में लाया, फॉर्म में लाया। एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन another class. Till then, learn the definitions and meanings of the barter system and the money. Take care of yourself. We will be right back with another subtopic in the next class. Thank you, students.